wala tadi isang pika-pika. Lang busy ito sila makaon ng tadi.
Ako ang bendy. Kanya na pero ako.
Di touch ta.
Batch 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, and 2015. Where are you guys? 2011 to 2015. Do we have a representative here?
2006 to 2010 graduates.
2001 to 2001. Ayan, high first batch. We have another batch. 1996 to 2000. Ayan, from 96, 91 to 95. Ayan, may drop sila.
So from 1986 to 1990.
We have one batch here. We have another one and on the other side here. Next batch, 1981, 82, 83, 84, and 85.
Next batch will be 1976, 1977, 78, 79, and 1980.
Next, 1971, 72, 73, 74, and 75.
1966, 67, 68, 69, and 1970.
Then, 1961, 62, 63, 64, and 65.
Last batch comes from 1939, 1940, 41, 42, 43, up to 60. So it's 1939 up to 1960.
Oh, we have
Mr. Nelson
here two alumni.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for coming.
So our youngest is, what's your name? Jennifer Guaro. What is this? This PAS management.
She's from batch 2018.
2018.
Let's give her a hand, please. And then the oldest alumni.
82 by 2.
I'm 29. I will create a party.
Yes. Ma'am, how young are you? Yeah. 83.
1980. Officer, you're here with us.
Kita naman si nanay.
In recognition of her invaluable professional service and significant contributions to the university, community, and nation.
Congratulations on the job well done to our teams. And also, not just our teams, we also like to recognize the current faculty and staff of the College of Business and Accountancy. And also those that serve as full-time faculty or part-time faculty, please stand all the team. We always have a full
Part-time faculty. 2015, part-time. Thank you. Reunion na pero may exam sila.
All of you sila ka-batchmate. Good afternoon, ma'am. How about you, ma'am?
From then, every time I have my name, I just pray.
From batch 2005.
Lechon!
Turn out for lechon.
Crunchy, yung panin niya, bubble. May isang chicharon na crunchy. Makaon lang ko siya. Makaon bagal kasi tap.
Finish!
Someday, when above you, when the world is cold.
Grabe, ito manghihil ako nung bata. Manghihil kami na ito. So this is the CR. There is sa Ilocos Center. Nahulat kami sa grand prize. Kaya wala pa nalawag ang mga ngalan. Alright, nalobat ako agina. Kagari na kami nung sa balay. Lupod ko si Mother Dear from Batch. Nagduwa-duwa pa siya. Yeah, Batch 89 and currently gatudlo sa CPU and ako ex-teacher sa CPU. And soon, hindi man siya soon, but later on, I believe I'll gonna be back in the academy. So see you mga students. Bye! Subscribe, gali ha! And syempre, subscribe! Bye!
Ayaw kayo nakahapit kamo sa akong nga channel. Kung bago pa lang kamo diri, pindot ta ang subscribe button, pati ka ang nagganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Ruby Inspired!